Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Thinking of buying the best hair dryer? Well, do not worry, this video will help you find one. Before that, please support my channel. Like, share, subscribe and comment your thoughts below. Well, the first in the list is Panasonic hair dryer, which costs Rs 789. This hair dryer offers two speed settings to select the amount of speed required for different hairstyles. The speed of the air can be easily varied with just a simple push on the handle. The dryer consumes 1000 watt power, which provides powerful yet gentle air to dry the hair effectively within minutes. Second in the list is Philips hair dryer, which costs Rs 775. It has two flexible settings for careful drying, narrow concentrator for focused airflow, compact and ergonomic, also benefits from a clever modern design, and with careful drying with two flexible heat settings, thermoprotect temperature setting, compact design for easy handling, and storage hook for convenient storage. Number third is Havells hair dryer, which costs Rs 1000. It's powerful drying with 1600 watt that gently directs the airflow in specific sections, giving better control during styling. 3 temperature setting, hot, warm and cool, also with separate cool short button for convenience. Double protection against overheating and foldable handle. Honeycomb inlet is specially designed to avoid tangling of the hair. Number 4 is Cica hair dryer, which costs Rs 1000. It is built with heat balance technology and also active ion technology for instant shine. This 1800 watt hair dryer creates the optimum level of hair flow and gentle drying power. 3 speed heat settings and also cool air function. Lightweight and compact design with foldable option for easy handling and carrying conveniently. This hair dryer comes with big wind inlet and overheating protection ensures safety. Fifth on the list is Vega hair dryer, which costs Rs 699. It's quick dry of 1000 watt with 1 cool and 1 heat setting. Safety automatic overheat cutout. It is convenient and foldable handle. Number 6 is Nova hair dryer, which costs Rs 743. It's uniform temperature to maintain your hair natural moisture level for shining and healthy looking hair. 2 speed heat setting for desired hairstyle look with cool air function. Overheating protection and concentrator maintains moisture of hair. The design of the big air inlet grills helps increased airflow, while the shape and size of the dryer improves the outflow of the air. Please find all the products link in the description below. And if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you so much for watching.